Hi, so it's Charlie from William Francis, and today we have this 95B chassis numbered Macan in with us for a new set of brake discs and pads which we've been supplied by Zimmerman. Quite excited to try these new low dust pads, which is great because, you know, especially a heavy car like this Macan, you're going to be on the brakes quite a lot. You know, who likes cleaning wheels? They're always filthy, aren't they? So that's why I always love a car with ceramic brakes, because unless you're really on it on the road, you get hardly any brake dust, and it's always a pleasure to clean the cars with ceramic brakes. We're really pleased with the quality of these. Sam's already been busy and fitted up the other side, which we'll show you in a sec. It's nice to see that they've got a good anti-corrosive coating all over them, because Porsche brakes are quite known for rusting, especially when they've got the holes drilled in them. So it's going to be a good chance to see how these perform. Obviously a much better price than a factory disc as well, and if they perform better then it's probably a win-win situation. So we'll get these fitted on and look forward to seeing how they do. Sam has just finished installing the new Zimmerman Sport Z brake discs on this Macan, and we are excited to go and test them and see if they live up to their standards that are better braking performance by up to 2 meters in the test that they've achieved, but they are going to potentially last longer and perform better, as this probably isn't going to be doing too many track days. I think the Sport Z is a great upgrade for the road, and yeah, we're looking forward to testing them. So now we've installed this new Zimmerman brake package and had a chance to, you know, compare it and contrast it. Really good quality. You know, the faces of the discs have had some special machining, and the coating that's on them looks great. Everything fitted just like OE really. Brake pads fitted great. Discs are spot on. So yeah, we're excited to see how it performs on the road. Yeah, if it works well, I think it's something that we'll be potentially offering. It looks like Zimmerman have really tried hard here to make a product that actually exceeds the performance of the other brands out there and the OE. So yeah, excited to see how this goes. We work really closely with design. We're mainly 911 Boxster and Cayman specialists, because that's our mark, and obviously those cars are very performance orientated, and we're often fitting aftermarket suspension and upgraded brake pads and bits. But it's quite interesting actually to see, because a Macan is a much heavier vehicle as well, and you're on the brakes quite a lot being an auto. You know, the manual cars, you know, there's a bit more down changing and things, but I think people that drive the SUVs and the bigger heavier cars don't realise how much work the brakes are doing. So it's a good opportunity to test these new discs out, because if it's safer and going to last longer, that's only going to be a win-win. And you know, we will potentially start trying these on some 911 Boxsters and Caymans as well. Just wanted to say, yeah, thanks ever so much to Zimmerman for supplying us the full set of discs and pads for this car to try. It's going to be a great next 10,000 miles or so to really see how they perform, and we'll be monitoring that brake dust on the wheels and things as well. It's filthy at the moment, so it's a good opportunity now to get the car clean, get these brakes bed in nicely, and then start seeing how they perform.